Hey everybody, Curtis Wells with Southland Kia on Trans-Canada Way. This is our 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie. This thing is fully equipped, being the Laramie of course. You've got the backup camera, air ride suspension, full crew cab, power sliding rear window, full panoramic sunroof, some extra storage under there, USB ports back here for the kids, along with heated seats and a power outlet, blind spot detection, power adjust pedals. This thing is virtually brand new, only 22,348 kilometers. It's got the big touch screen, trailer package, wireless charging, tons of storage down there. Even comes with a candy. So, if you're looking for a gorgeous pre-owned truck with all the options, give us a call. You can reach us at the store, 403-526-2275. Get a hold of us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or swing by the store, have a coffee, say hi. Let's check out this truck. Thanks for watching.